Hi everyone, my name is Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 20th of July, but for the most part of the day it was raining and quite miserable and cold. So I've decided to spend this afternoon by practicing watercolor. Each sketch took me about 5-10 minutes, no longer than that. And I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks very much. Raining all day, so I'm going to paint. I started by applying clear water to the entire page with a white brush. Don't be afraid to ruin a white piece of paper. Allow yourself freely to experiment with color combinations and practice brush strokes. To be honest, at that stage, I thought it doesn't look that good at all, but I kept going. By adding wide strokes of different colors, I wanted to achieve a dynamic effect. Can you see lavender field yet? Perhaps the influence of rainy days recently contributes to a summer mood. Oh summer, where are you? At that stage I knew I made a mess, but I just kept going. Okay, I have a confession to make. I've done more than 4 sketches. After the 4th sketch, I decided to turn the camera off and take a break. I actually really like this one. I like the sky and white strokes of red and green colors. This one, however, doesn't look good at all. I don't like the colors, I don't like the sky. Sky is okay, but overall sunset doesn't look right. In this lavender field sketch, I really like the dynamic and the color on trees at the background. I wished I recorded this sketch, but for some reason I didn't turn the camera on, and I really like how it's turned out. So this one was like 5 minutes quick sketch, and I really love the dynamic and the airness. That one was also quite quick sketch, and it's actually not bad at all. And that was the last work of the day. I wanted to create something summery and vibrant. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed it, then please click the like button and leave the comment below which sketch you liked the most. See you next time!